Hey there, furnace owners. If you're dealing with a Rheem furnace flashing error code 45, you're in the right place. I'm here to break it down for you step by step, so you can get your heating system back up and running safely. First off, let's talk about what this code means. Error code 45 on a Rheem furnace, especially in models up to 2025, typically signals a control failure or an issue with the pressure switch. This could be related to problems in the airflow, gas supply, or even the furnace's internal electronics. Now, why does this happen? Common causes include a blocked vent, a faulty pressure switch, or even something as simple as dirt buildup in the system. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate, leading to these errors. If your furnace is older, it might also be due to worn-out components. Don't worry. Most of these issues are fixable with a bit of troubleshooting. Let's get into the steps you can take. Start by turning off the power to your furnace at the circuit breaker for safety. Then, check for any obvious blockages in the vents or exhaust pipes. Make sure nothing's obstructing airflow. Next, inspect the pressure switch. It's usually located near the burner assembly. If it looks dirty, gently clean it with a soft brush or compressed air. After that, reset the furnace by turning the power back on and seeing if the code clears. If the error persists, you might need to replace the pressure switch or check the wiring for any loose connections. Remember, if you're not comfortable with electrical work, it's time to call in a professional HVAC technician. They can diagnose deeper issues and ensure everything complies with safety standards. In summary, error code 45 is a signal to act quickly but carefully. By following these steps, you could save yourself a costly repair. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more home maintenance tips. Stay warm and safe out there.